Euro firmed as the US dollar paused amid Fed and China factors. Where to for Euro to US dollar? Euro to US dollar, Fed, China, crude oil, New Zealand dollar to US dollar, talking points. Euro found support after the US dollar took a breather from its ascent. Fed speakers reminded markets that rate rises are coming, even if they are smaller. If the Fed keeps hiking and China lockdowns, will Euro to US dollar resume its downtrend? The Euro steadied through Asian trade today after Monday's tumultuous start to the week that saw Euro to US dollar plunge. The US dollar gained on the back of Fed speakers maintaining their hawkish stance that also saw stocks undermined. A surge in COVID-19 cases in China also undermined risk assets with fears that severe lockdowns may persist there. San Francisco Federal Reserve President Mary Daly and Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester reaffirmed that rates will be hiked, but perhaps at a slower pace. After several previous rate rises of 75 basis points, the market has a 50 basis point hike priced in for next month's Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, meeting. Wall Street finished their session in the red with the Dow Jones losing -0.13%, the S&P 500 dropping -0.39% and the Nasdaq -1.09% lower. Futures are pointing to a steady start to their day ahead. APAC equities have mostly seen small gains except for Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index, HSI, that is in the red. Crude oil also wild price swings overnight but has been relatively stable in Asia today with the WTI futures contract above $80 barrel while the Brent contract is approaching $88 barrel. Gold managed to eke an uptick, trading above $1,740. New Zealand's trade deficit for October was better than anticipated today. It came in at NZD -1.615 billion rather than NZD -2.129 billion forecast. New Zealand dollar to US dollar has seen modest gains so far today. The RBNZ will be making a decision on rates tomorrow. RBA Governor Philip Lowe will be speaking shortly, as will a number of ECB, Fed and Bank of Canada officials. Canadian retail's sales data will be released later, as will a gauge on US manufacturers' sentiment from the Richmond Fed. Euro to US dollar technical analysis. After closing back inside the 21-day simple moving average, SMA, based Bollinger Band last week, Euro to US dollar rolled over and moved lower. Such a move might indicate that a reversal may unfold. Support could be at the breakpoints of 1.0198 and 1.0094 or further down at a prior low of 0.9936. On the top side, resistance could be at the previous peaks of 1.0482 and 1.0615.